Tennessee is known as a pass-through state. I'm Harleen at Labrum Law. A pass-through state means there's a lot of commercial trucks on our roads, on I-40 and I-65. In Tennessee, in 2022, there were over 12,000 crashes involving tractor trailers. So 1 out of 14 crashes was with a tractor trailer. 6% of these crashes occurred because the tractor trailer driver was following improperly. Tennessee roads are curvy, they go around Tennessee hills, and the roads merge in outdated ways. Be careful of tractor trailers, wide turns, and side-swiping cars. If you have questions, DM, text, or call Labrum Law.